Morning everybody. I just thought I'd do a quick video of the inside of the Land Rover that we've got for sale on eBay and Facebook, and also sort of show you how we fire up. Basically we've got two dead man switches. We've got one here and we've got one here. So if we flick that on, it engages the live, and then we've got a key dead man. So one sort of sends the power to the radio and to the oil pressure. The second one helps you start the cold start, and then the oil pressure comes back on. And then what we do is we wait for the fuel gauge to sort of wake up a bit, obviously, so the heater plugs, or whatever you call it in a series diesel engine, they get a bit warm. Excuse me, my kids have been in here playing. So make sure it's out of neutral, so I shall go rocking. Yeah, so we let the fuel gauge get up about halfway, and then just bear with me. I'm just going to put the camera to stare at the door. That's it. Make sure it's definitely out of neutral. Yeah, so the interior, the dashboard's really good. We replaced that. There's obviously a bit of a scuff on that passenger side, but the heater connections are all there for the heater, but you're better off chewing a strong mint. And with the Series 3, the wiper motors and everything else is hidden, not like the Series 2A. So right, that should be ready to fire up now. Starts up all right. It's been sat here for a good month. I'll also show you the engine bay in 2 seconds. There she is. A thing of beauty. Screen wash, heater. Show you that the hand throttle does work. The hand throttle works. And you notice the little light goes out on the alternator, because I don't know if you know this, but petrol alternators fit the diesels, and they only really start charging the battery when the light goes out. I mean, we fitted this engine about maybe 5 years ago, and as you can tell, it's very quiet, no knocks or bangs. But yeah, the Land Rover's been many colours. When it was a Series 3 bits, we nicked off another one. It's got colours everywhere, but we never really bothered changing the V5, just left it as orange. There's the sides. There is a bit of welding that needs to be done on that rear diff. I don't know if you can see there. That needs to be done really, a little bit of welding. There's this side where the fuel cap is. There we are.